How to find your BNB BEP-20 address on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to find your BNB BEP-20 address on Trust Wallet. Whether you're looking to receive BNB or share your address with others, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Let's dive in. First things first, launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Once it's open, you'll need to log in using your passcode or fingerprint. This ensures that your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Tap on the Crypto tab, and here, you should see a list of the cryptocurrencies available in your wallet. Now look for BNB. If you can't find it, simply click on the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear at the top. Type BNB into this search bar. You'll see the BNB Smart Chain option. Next to it, you'll find a toggle button. Tap on it to turn it on. This action will add BNB to your homepage, making it easy to access. Now that BNB is visible on your homepage, tap on it. You'll see 4 options: send, receive, buy, and swap. To find your BNB BEP-20 address, tap on Receive. Your wallet address and QR code will be displayed on the screen. If you want to copy your BNB BEP-20 address, simply tap on the Copy button. If you'd like to share it with friends or family, tap on Share and select the social media application of your choice. And this is how to find your BNB BEP-20 address on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.